Good morning. My name is John Raven K. Cortez, here to present a TED Talk about can we ever outgrow our national heroes? Can we make Jose Rizal obsolete? Think about the last time you were inspired by a figure from the past. Now, imagine if that inspiration came from someone new, someone who speaks to the challenges and opportunities of our current age. Well, today, I will explore whether Jose Rizal, the national hero of our country, the Philippines, can be made obsolete in light of modern developments and changing societal values. Jose Rizal, a visionary of the late 19th century, played a pivotal role in the Philippines' fight for independence. His novels Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo ignited revolutionary fervor. His execution turned him into a martyr, forever etching his name in the history of our country. Renato Constantino, in his thought-provoking article, Our Task is to Make Rizal Obsolete, challenges us to reconsider Rizal's place in our national consciousness. He argues that while Rizal was a reformist, the times now call for revolutionaries. Constantino's bold assertion is not about disrespecting Rizal, but about recognizing that heroism must evolve with the times. Can we make Rizal obsolete? Rizal heroism is deeply rooted in the context of Spanish colonization. As we move further from the period, the question arises, do his actions and ideas still resonate with our contemporary struggles? In the 21st century, our perception of heroes is shifting. We now look up to figures who embody modern values, quality, environmental stewardship, technological innovation, like Greta Thunberg or local activists using social media to drive change. These modern heroes address the current global issues that affect us all. Education shapes our perception of heroes. Updating curriculum to include contemporary role models can make learning more relevant and engaging. Imagine a classroom where, alongside Rizal, students learn about modern day heroes who reflect today's societal values. Reevaluating Rizal's place in our national consciousness is not about erasing his legacy. It's about acknowledging that heroism must evolve. By doing so, we encourage critical thinking and foster a more inclusive and dynamic national identity. In making Rizal obsolete, we don't diminish his legacy. We build upon it to create a more inclusive and dynamic national identity. Let's embrace the past while boldly stepping into the future, guided by heroes who reflect our current values and aspirations. That is all. Thank you.